So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing some super scary Halloween makeup for girls. So in this video we shared a lot of ideas. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. We shared a lot of ideas related to super scary Halloween makeup for girls, and this video contains super classy, super useful, helpful ideas and makeup ideas for you. This video has both kind of ideas such as simple ideas, easy ideas and some kind of difficult stylish ideas. So you can choose according to your makeup skill. If you are best and expert at makeup, you can choose a difficult even idea. But if you are a beginner at makeups, so you can choose some kind of easy ideas that is even super stylish. And guys, you can take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos and watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And we shared a lot of stuff related to Halloween, such as Halloween party decoration ideas, Halloween food decoration ideas, Halloween cake decoration ideas, and Halloween super scary costume ideas for even girls and boys. And even we share super scary makeup ideas for boys too. So guys, hope you liked the video. So if you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.